Hello, my love. Welcome to another guided meditation from the Maiden Mother. When we embody gratitude, it's not just a thought, it's a full body experience. It softens us, expands us, and strengthens our ability to see the beauty in ourselves, others, and the world around us. It shifts our focus from what's lacking to what we already have, creating a fertile ground for abundance to grow. Abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's the inner knowing that there's more than enough love, joy, and kindness to go around. And when we lean into these energies, we create ripples that touch everyone we encounter. So today, let's anchor ourselves in gratitude and call in abundance as we move through this meditation. Let's begin. Sit in a comfortable position with a tall spine and your shoulders relaxed, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet touching the ground. Gently close your eyes and take a cleansing breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, releasing any tension from the day thus far. Again, deep breath in, hold it for a moment at the top, and as you exhale, release any tension, stress, or heaviness. Breathe in deeply again, this time imagining that your inhale is pulling in light, bright, golden, and warm. Feel it radiate through your chest, down your arms, into your fingertips, and all the way to your toes. As you exhale, let go of anything that doesn't serve you right now. Now, place your hands over your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. With every beat, remind yourself that you are alive. And in this moment, everything you need is within you. Now, bring to mind something you're grateful for. It could be a person, an experience, a place, or even this moment in stillness. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Let your lips curl into a small smile as you allow this gratitude to fill your heart. Notice how it feels. As you hold this feeling, repeat these affirmations either out loud or silently in your mind. I will speak each affirmation twice, giving you a chance to repeat afterward. Let's begin. The more I give, the more I receive. My abundance is infinite. The more I give, the more I receive. My abundance is infinite. My heart overflows with love, kindness, and joy. My heart overflows with love, kindness, and joy. I let go of fear and trust that there is more than enough for everyone. I let go of fear and trust that there is more than enough for everyone. I am deserving of a joyful, abundant life simply because I exist. I am deserving of a joyful, abundant life simply because I exist. Every day, I am grateful for the beauty and miracles all around me. Every day, I am grateful for the beauty and miracles all around me. I give thanks for the challenges that teach me resilience and strength. I give thanks for challenges that teach me resilience and strength. I trust that everything I need will come to me at the perfect time. I trust that everything I need will come to me at the perfect time. Take another deep breath in, letting those words settle into your being. As you exhale, visualize your gratitude expanding outward like a warm, golden light. See this energy reaching the people you love, your community, and even strangers you'll never meet. Feel your connection to the world around you. Know that your kindness and gratitude have the power to create change. Not just within you, but with everyone you encounter. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Roll your shoulders. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of gratitude and abundance with you as you move throughout your day. Use it as a light, a guide, and a source of strength. Remember, kindness and love are not small acts. They're powerful tools to build the kind of world we all dream of. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. I'm so grateful to share this practice with you. Stay magical, my love.